your daughters.
What?
Natasha bought them.
Oh, did she?
Lump of coal.
I know what this is.
Do you now?
Yeah, it was there when they packaged them up for you.
I know.
I don't
What's
know
in there,
which one
Seda?
it is.
LEDs are so cool, man. Because they
What's in there, sweetie?
such a big change. Oh, I finally got a charger. That might work.
Yeah,
You get it.
over there so that you can put my iPad.
What's in there? Seda,
I don't have a cord with it though.
go get it.
I thought we had lots.
You gotta pull everything out.
That's probably
I'll get it.
Ooh, yummers.
Oh, very nice.
This is great if the colors are not too faded. I know.
Seda, are you having issues?
So
What's in there?
Batteries.
Got batteries? What?
My LED light.
Oh.
Hey, bud.
No, I didn't get anything in my stocking.
What'd you get, Seda? What's in there?
I am. You're lucky to have me.
Are there surprises in that stocking for you?
do you have Seda stocking like that? Or Misty stocking like that?
Yeah, I do.
Seda, what's in here? What's in there?
You haven't even had brekkie, have you? Yeah.
You see this stuff?
Little vegetable peeler. Yeah, I saw it. I wasn't so sure how well it would work.
Well, I'm gonna do this.
Seda,
Well, I thought it would be a
What's in there?
neat thing to try.
Yeah, no, that's.
Considering my other options. Peeling it with a steak knife.
Yeah, I think it'd be.
Great.
I think it'd be great.
what'd you get, sweetie?
Is this one from Seda?
That one's from Becky. She stuck something in the stockings that were hanging up out there.
So how did she get the same ones that Natasha had?
Well, she picked it up off the floor.
Oh, so this is Seda's.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh, that's brave.
Nick and Chad, I don't know how good the batteries
Seda.
are in this thing because, you know, I'm sure they don't break the bank getting decent alkaline batteries, but, you know, for something sitting in a glove box.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It'd be good for my truck.
That's gonna take time. Yep. They don't have LEDs right now.
Standing on my foot.
There's so much. Oh.
What other surprises are in there for you? Seda, what else is in there?
So exciting.
Yeah, arguably, if you're down at 50 feet,
Seda,
I can't buy these.
I know.
They're so expensive.
Seda, Seda. Hey, Seda,
That's why they're there.
what's there? What's there?
Who needed a hot pad? Who needed a hot pad?
Oh, don't waste it.
It's a redoing one.
Oh, let me see. Is it one of those snaps?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's two of them actually.
They're so fun. Have you ever used them before?
Seda.
Just in the store.
Yeah. I have a little one that's like half the size of this.
Hey.
Which is good for
Good for what?
nothing.
after mowing.
Like you could put it in your gloves.
World War II style?
All right, Seda, what's this?
Plastic, and I suppose reasonably waterproof, but they don't work much longer than a couple hours.
Is that?
And you have to do water everything. So I bought my own box.
There you go.
There's something wrong with the system that doesn't hold the guys accountable for that.
Isn't that cool?
Well, it's the same as our own underwear. Comes up here. Yeah. Yeah. And the answer
Here,
was,
Chad.
well, you probably shrunk it.
Thank you.
Did it work?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I've seen those before.
Yeah.
Just put them in one pot of water and then recharge them, yeah.
They take a while in boiling water, to be honest.
15
At least
minutes.
my little ones are.
So,
What's that? Zeta, what's in here? What's in there?
The great thing is you can kind of mold them to where you need them.
Yeah.
You done?
Huh?
You done?
Instead of just pushing down, kind of going like this.
That's what I was doing. And Teresa was done already. And I was trying to do it.
Is that good? There you go.
Don't worry about it, Bill.
Well, there's lots of power.
Are you done?
So,
Aurora.
there's